Welcome to Wandering. Today, we will explore a gem of the Croatian coast, Zadar Beach. Located along the Adriatic coast, Zadar Beach is famous for its unspoiled beauty and crystal clear waters. It is an ideal destination to relax, enjoy the sun and enjoy the waves. The beach is also attractive with smooth rocks and beautiful sunsets, creating unforgettable moments. The people of Zadar are famous for their hospitality and warmth, often willing to share local culture and interesting travel tips. They are very proud of their traditions and always welcome visitors with a sincere smile. It is the combination of a pleasant climate and friendly people that makes this an ideal destination for those who want to experience the relaxation and warmth of the Adriatic beach. Along the coast, you will see girls in bikinis shining in the sun, relaxing, or playing in the gentle waves. They create a lively and charming picture, blending perfectly with the natural landscape. Bright smiles and a cheerful, free atmosphere make Zadar Beach an ideal place to enjoy the summer and feel the beauty of life on the Adriatic coast. Under the crystal clear waters of the Adriatic Sea, you will discover a world of colorful and vibrant marine life. Coral reefs and seagrasses create majestic underwater landscapes, providing an ideal habitat for many species of fish and marine animals. Seagrasses, especially Posidonia species, play an important role in protecting the coast and maintaining the marine ecosystem, while providing shelter and food for many marine creatures. Tourism at Zadar Beach has a profound impact on the sea and the surrounding environment. The increase in tourists not only brings economic benefits to the local area, but also poses challenges for environmental conservation. Activities such as swimming, diving, and water sports can cause water pollution and degrade the quality of the sea if not properly managed. Furthermore, the presence of tourist facilities and services around the beach can lead to uncontrolled discharge and affect the marine ecosystem. Thank you for joining Wandering Channel on this journey to explore the beautiful Zadar Beach. If you love journeys like this and want to continue experiencing more marine wonders, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. By supporting us, you not only help us continue to create quality content, but also help us preserve and celebrate the beauty of wonderful places around the world. Let's continue the journey together and explore new horizons.